This is the Dragon Flame Firelighting Kit and Black Enamel Adventure Mug from House of Beyond. Included in the kit is hard Wearing Flint and Steel, light anywhere even when wet. 6 lengths of Fatwood, resin impregnated heartwood, perfect for firelighting. 2 wraps of waxed jute string, perfect for catching a spark. Pocket bellows, telescopic, starts roaring fires in minutes. Take a short length of the waxed jute string, unwind it and pull it apart. Add a few shavings of the fatwood. It lights quickly, even when wet, and is very wind resistant. Take your striker and scrape down the rod, forcing the sparks into your fire. You can move straight onto your kindling of choice now. The fatwood burns longer and hotter than normal sticks and can light much bigger pieces of wood. The striker also doubles as a bottle opener and handy measure. Ah, lovely. Use the telescopic pocket bellows to add essential oxygen to your fire. You can keep a safe distance with this tool, you won't get smoke in your eyes, and you'll save your backache. Enjoy a nice cup of tea. The Dragon Flame Firelighting Kit and Black Enamel Adventure Mug from House of Beyond, available together or also sold separately. It is dispatched in a double-walled recycled cardboard box and packed in a compostable black mailer. Gift wrapping options are available. We've got you covered. Find out more at houseofbeyond.com.